I've met a lot of environmental champions, and they all seem to have something in common. A childhood with a lot of time spent in nature. That's why that's something I'm trying to give to my kids. But what if this wasn't your story? You know what? It wasn't mine. There's a whole lot of complicated reasons why experiences like camping or challenging hikes just don't have the same appeal to immigrant parents who've moved from less comfortable circumstances. It's a thing. Being able to raise your kids in comfort was a hard-earned luxury. But over time and over a new generation, the manufactured settings can create a different discomfort, one that comes from being disconnected with the earth. Now, when I got older, I found more opportunities to repair that, but sometimes I feel my hunger for being outside, my magnetism towards trails, my longing for the backcountry and fascination with the forest is a lot of making up for lost time. It's a bit like discovering a long-lost relative later in life. You wish you had that proximity all along, but you're definitely thankful you have it now.